So what is the opportunity today? The opportunity today is to actually build a nation of creators, not just consumers of innovative AI technologies. That is the opportunity as I at least see it today. Now, I can share some insights. What motivates you is a question that you have to answer. But I can share some insights. Don't get married to a solution that you can imitate. Fall in love with a problem. By the way, that's an AI generated picture. Yes. For decades, not for years. For decades, not for years. Framing and formulating the problem right is half the battle won. It's not easy. But that's almost half the battle won. And whether you are a researcher or not, a research-oriented mindset, my claim, is essential as problems are only growing in complexity. They're not getting any easier. So what is needed is a builder's hands, the Build Club, the builder's hands, but a research mindset. You need to combine those two. So it would feel like building a ship and running it at the same time. Right? You build part of it, you run part of it, you build part of it, run part of it. And it will always feel like that.